The love story of Mark Antony and Cleopatra is a captivating and intricate tale that combines romance, politics, and tragedy. It unfolds against the backdrop of the late Roman Republic's turmoil, setting the stage for the eventual rise of the Roman Empire. The story begins in 41 BC, when Mark Antony, a powerful Roman general and one of the rulers of Rome in the aftermath of Julius Caesar's assassination, first encounters Cleopatra, the enchanting queen of Egypt. Their paths cross during a sumptuous banquet in Tarsus, and Cleopatra makes a grand entrance, arriving on a dazzling barge adorned as the goddess Aphrodite. Antony, who was already renowned for his military prowess, was immediately captivated by her beauty, intelligence, and charm. Antony, who was still married to Octavia, the sister of his political ally Octavian, who would later become Emperor Augustus, chose to spend the winter in Alexandria, Egypt. During this time, the relationship between Antony and Cleopatra deepened, developing into a passionate and intense love affair. Their love for each other became legendary, and their union created a political and military alliance that had profound implications for the Roman Republic. Mark Antony and Cleopatra's relationship was not just about love. It was also a political partnership. Cleopatra provided Antony with troops, resources, and support for his military campaigns, strengthening his position in the Roman world. In return, Antony supported Cleopatra's rule in Egypt and the Eastern Mediterranean. Their relationship became a focal point of political tension in Rome, especially with Octavian, who was increasingly critical of Antony's decisions and loyalty. The love story of Antony and Cleopatra played out amid the backdrop of the Roman Republic's internal power struggles. The conflict between Octavian and Antony reached a climax, leading to the famous Battle of Actium in 31 BC. Octavian's forces defeated those of Antony and Cleopatra in this naval battle, effectively deciding the fate of the Roman Republic. This marked a significant turning point in their story. Following their defeat at Actium, Antony and Cleopatra retreated to Alexandria. Believing that Cleopatra had died, Antony took his own life by falling on his own sword. When Cleopatra learned of Antony's death, she was grief-stricken. Rather than being paraded as a captive in a Roman triumph, she decided to join Antony in death. She allowed an asp, a venomous snake, to bite her, and she died beside her beloved. Mark Antony and Cleopatra's love story is a timeless tale of passion, ambition, and tragedy. Their deaths marked the end of the Ptolemaic kingdom in Egypt and the beginning of the Roman Empire's complete dominance in the Mediterranean world.